Gold prices selling off after a killer job number in the U.S. where the unemployment rate fell to 8.3%. David, is today's sell-off a risk-on trade where we're going to see people selling out of gold and going into stocks, or is something else going on?
No, I think it's as simple as it looks. I really believe that's the case. And then again, as we've spoken many times on the show, Fridays are the squaring of books anyway. So a lot of the professional traders don't carry any positions over the weekend. Numbers come out for jobs. I'm out of the trade, and that makes it flat over the weekend. So that's exactly what you're seeing is exactly what you're getting. Where
do you think the floor of support's going to be here?
We've been running, from the 1650 to the 1750 level. And I think we're probably going to get under 1700 for a while and test that. Where it lands, I'm not sure yet.
And in terms of, say, how gold will react to the dollar-euro relationship, the dollar was up today. It seemed like it was up because we got rumors that perhaps Greece's prime minister would resign. However, with the better jobs number, we might not now get a QE3. How does all that play out for gold?
Well, as I've said before, I really think we're going to see a broad trading range for gold because there's this back and forth, as you're talking about. Looks good, doesn't look good, risk on, risk off, as it's commonly referred to now. And so that's what I expect. I've been, pretty clear from the beginning that we're going to see a wide trading range this year for a lot of the year. I still hold to that view.
So should you be buying on these dips then, taking advantage?
Always buying the dips. Is it today's dip or not? That's too tough a call on a short-term basis. But longer term, I'd say, as I've said before, anything under 1600 for gold, buy it. Anything under 30 for silver, buy it. Are we going to get to those levels again or not remains to be determined.
And then about silver, because you brought it up, I wanted to get your take on the short-term range for the metal because that has had a huge run, also selling off today.
Exactly. I mean, gold was up 13% in the first month, silver almost double that. And it's expected to see some kind of profit taking and sell off here, regardless of the job numbers. But I think we're going to see a possibility, I'd say a 50-50 chance of silver getting under the $30 level. Again, if it does so, I think long term that's it. And I haven't recanted on the fact that I think the 26 level that made a very few trades and popped right back up, and it's done that 2 times. I really believe that's the bottom. A lot of guys that do a lot of technical work, such as myself, have looked for the low 20s and that kind of thing. I don't rule it out entirely, but each day that goes by that we're above 30, that's less and less likely. I just don't see it happening.
All right, so then moving forward very quickly, is today's sell-off worrisome, or are you just brushing it off by profit taking and book squaring?
Brushing it off, Alex. I've been in this market way too long.
Fair enough, David. I appreciate it. All right, so you can brush off gold sell-off today. It's just going to be some normal profit taking.